Alright, so done a little something today. As you can see here, got the boost gauge set up here. Kind of a custom install here. The whole boost, the pod it's in is custom 3D printed along with the base. Use sticky tape to put it on for now. Before it goes back, it slides in and out because it's, it's alright. We have the two lines coming here. We have the boost, the hose. One of them is the hose, and one of them is the wires for the electronics for this that we have kind of sheathed up to make it look clean. Going down behind the pillar to the fuse box, and one going down into the firewall up under the hood. And I'll show you how I have it out there. So it comes in down in here. You can really see it. And I've got it run this wire right here. You can see it zip tied up here, going all the way across. And then it's plumbed into the throttle body spacer right here. Now, the gauge itself is pretty interesting. You see it fading in and out of colors. That's just how I have it set for it now. But you can change it to whatever color you want. And it'll stay in whatever color you choose. I just choose to have it fading in and out because I like the way that looks. See a little bit of shutter issues there with the camera, the way it works. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this video here. And you can actually see those little idle jumps in here too. There will be some driving videos uploaded soon as well, and I'll link these two together. But anyway, I just wanted to say we've been up to this. Took quite a while to do. A lot of well, I won't say fabrication, but it was a little bit of the fabrication with the printed 3D printed pod holder, this thing, and the way it was put in. So, but overall, he looks pretty professionalized. There's no wires hanging everywhere. This was always a little loose anyway, so why not? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.